Hi, boys and girls, my friends. I've missed you. I'm kind of a mess today because I'm getting ready to get cleaned up because I've been gardening all day. But I wanted to show you what I've been doing because it's kind of exciting. And I want to see how it goes and to show you along the way if the things that I planted grow. So with that, I'll show you what I've been doing. I went to my school garden where a local agency called Local Matters had been gardening. And I got some things out of the garden that were already growing this year. Right here I see some cilantro, which is a spice. Honestly, I'm not sure what this is, but I think it's also some kind of herb. The cilantro is often used in Mexican cooking and to put in salsa. It tastes really good. Over here are different kinds of lettuce that I found in the garden at school, so I picked up part of them and planted them here. But I'll show them to you as they grow, and hopefully I'll be able to eat some things out of here for salad. My goal is to be able to produce enough lettuce and vegetables for my family to live on this summer. It's pretty cold right now, so I'm going to have to cover them for the frost. I'll cover them at night when it's cold outside, or maybe even bring them inside. Over here, I believe I picked up a green bean plant. I have no idea if it's going to grow, and it still needs more dirt in here, but we will see. This next section did not record very well because of the wind, so I'm going to show you what I did. I took some rocks that I've been collecting for months, and I put them around the border of the garden in the front of my apartment. All kinds of different rocks, all kinds of different sizes and shapes and colors that come from the earth, and I've been collecting, like I said, to make my garden. Then I planted some flowers that I took also from the garden at school that the man from Local Matters said I should take, because if you take seeds that have dropped and they start again, then they propagate, which means they reproduce, and you can put them in your garden and they will grow. So this is all kind of an experiment to me. Here are more flowers, and as they grow I will show you more of what they do. Here's a real experiment here. This is a collard green plant. I think it's going to grow back into a tall collard green plant, but I'm not sure. We will see. I also got it from the garden, and over here is a Brussels sprout plant. I also cut it down to see if it would grow back. It looked like it was trying to grow baby Brussels sprouts. So here's my garden, and here's a bush that I'm going to try to take out. That's going to be a work in progress. I just wanted to show you what you can do with just a small space in gardening to grow your own food and make things pretty. The trees are already there. I'll show you as we go. But I added the rock border. I've been collecting these rocks for months. All different kinds of rocks. All different colors. Here I planted wildflowers that I got from our garden at school again. Right here I plan to hang a bird feeder. And some more wildflowers. This is an experiment right here. I planted a collard green plant. I cut it down. I'm going to see if it grows back up. I think it will. I'm going to have to be careful that it doesn't freeze from the frost. Same with this. This is a Brussels sprout plant. Again, this is an experiment, but I wanted to show you in the beginning so you could see if it worked. This big bush I'm going to try to cut down, but that'll be another work in progress experiment. Anyway, here's my little garden. Just goes to show you that you can have a little garden even in a small space. The video wasn't entirely successful, but it's all a work in progress. You got to see what I did with my plants, and that's what's important. I'll see you later. I love you.